Hi, I'm John at Banana Baby, and in this video we are going to take a look at how to put a baby in a rearward facing child car seat. So this car seat is now installed in a rearward facing position. So what you need to imagine now is this is in your vehicle and this is the back seat and the child is looking at the back window. Now let's get started on how to put a baby in a rearward facing child car seat. The first thing you will need to do is locate the strap which tightens the harness. The strap is usually located just here and there's a little thing to flick up. So if you follow it all the way down to the base of the seat, you'll find there's something to flick up. So I'm just going to flick it up, and then if you pull the harness at the top of the shoulder area, oops, you see that loosen? And then I'm just going to unbuckle it, put the harness onto the side, put the harness onto the side. Now let's grab baby. So we've got baby. And then we'll put baby in, put this out, put baby's arm through the harness, through the other harness, lock it up. You hear a click on the second one. And then what we do is with that tether strap, so with the tightening strap before, we'll just pull, just loosen a little bit, and that's it. Baby is now restrained and you're ready to drive. Remember that you also have to tighten the tether strap that comes when it's in a fully installed position. So that's it. Now let's have a look at taking baby out. So it's in vice versa positioning. So basically you look for the tether strap, find the little button at the bottom. So I'm just going to flick it up, loosen the strap, unbuckle, put it to the side, grab baby, and out we go. Now it's probably best to leave the harness in this position so you can easily drop baby back in when you need to. Okay, so that's it, that's done. Thank you for watching this video.